is actually the most disgusting YouTuber ever. But he is also huge and he's very intelligent actually. Even though he's more on TikTok, but there is a channel here on YouTube, which I'm not sure if it's real or not, and it's very hard to say. But anyway, he has 450k followers on TikTok, and he has a very disgusting room that is filled with urine. That's where the name comes from, Mr. Piss Air. So what can you learn from him? I know that's a bit weird, but what can you learn and how can you apply what you learnt to your own YouTube channel and grow from there? Okay, let's get right into this. Okay, if I go onto this guy's TikTok, which I'm going to regret again, I'm just hoping that all of this urine is not real and it's just apple juice. And I'm hoping that his mental health is actually okay and that he's pretending to be like this. He looks like he's off his rocker. He looks like he's absolutely lost it. And if you need help, Mr. Pesser, we are here to help you. Alright? We are here. We care, alright? We will help you clean your room. I hope that this guy has another house that is actually his real house and he just comes here every now and then to do videos. I mean, if that was real urine, it will actually ruin the house. It would destroy the wood, the walls, everything. Okay, I don't want to think about what the house smells like, but there is one thing that is true, is that he's getting very, very popular. He hasn't even been on his TikTok for that long and he's still managed to grow. And his YouTube views are actually quite good as well, if this actually is his real account or not. But he is very popular, and the reason he's popular is something that I will explain right now. He is unique. I mean, who else does this? This is actually crazy what he's doing. He's doing something which you don't normally see. He's being hilarious. He's making people laugh. He's doing things that you would not expect. He's being creative with piss. He's being creative with everything disgusting, basically. And his room is full of bugs. I mean, if you go on TikTok or YouTube, you will not see anyone else that is like this, or it'll be very hard to find because I myself have not seen this before. I mean, How To Basic is quite similar to him, but How To Basic is not really like this. This is actually gross. I'm hoping that it's actually fake and that it's actually apple juice instead. But if you make your videos unique, if you do something that hasn't been done before, then people will gravitate towards you. They will find your channel, they will subscribe, they will follow, they will do everything because you provide something which they cannot get from anywhere else. And they will come to you. Okay, the next tip I have for you is that he is actually hilarious. He uses comedy. He's actually making people laugh. He's making people's lives better, and he's able to get fame and money from this to support himself. I'm hoping that this actually supports him and he's able to actually have a good life from this, and TikTok changes his life because his growth is actually quite crazy. He's already on 450,000 followers already. Previously he was only on like 200,000. But now he has actually doubled in just a few months, and he's continuing to grow even more. He's going up, so he's actually quite smart in terms of that, in terms of social media marketing and everything. I mean, who else throws a piss nuke or does piss boxing? Like, what is this? You've never seen this before. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to talk about that he does, which is absolutely smart. Okay, if this video is actually helping you out and you are able to apply these tips to your own channel and grow, I ask you to just hit that subscribe button and follow Tube Hustle. Maha from Tube Hustle here. Let's make it to the top together. Grind, not stop. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. I make videos on how to grow on YouTube. Okay, this video is kind of related to TikTok, but it still applies on YouTube. Let me know if you've heard of this guy before or not. Let me know down in the comment section below, because this guy is actually really smart and we can learn a lot from him. I have more tips coming up in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, the next thing is that he's a good storyteller. He's actually quite good at speaking to the camera. He might seem like he's missing a few screwdrivers from the tool set, but he's actually very smart and he's good at storytelling. The storytelling aspect is actually very important because what that does is it helps people listen to your videos and start from the beginning and keep watching all the way to the end, and that makes it enjoyable for them. Human beings love stories. It's just the way we are. So tell stories in your videos and that will help you. Okay, the next thing that he does is he posts a lot of content. He has posted so many videos online on TikTok that he is actually growing because of that. And that is something that you can do as well on your YouTube. You can grow by just always being there, always popping up. That's what basically happens when people see you the first time or second time. They don't really click on your video that much, but when they keep seeing you popping up on their home feed, on their suggested, and you just keep making videos and it keeps popping up on their YouTube pages, that actually creates quite an impact on them, and they start watching your videos and they start following. This is something very important, is consistency. That's what he does. Okay, I hope you have learnt from this unique, smart, storytelling, consistent YouTuber called Mr. Pisser. He's got quite a weird name as well, yeah. If you have benefited from that, let me know. I also made another video on how you can make money from YouTube once you get views. That video is linked right here. Click right here.